Hello guys, my name is Benny Johnson and today I will show you how to design a plasma rifle in Lego design from Fallout 3 and New Vegas. Okay, let's start with it. I will show the every single piece so you can see which piece it is. Sorry, I'm not from a country where they speak English as a first language, so it's a bit difficult for me. Okay, I've put this piece on this. So, okay. Now we have to put a 1x1 piece with every side within every side thing on it. I don't know how to describe this in English, sorry. So you have to put it here. Now this is a microfusion cell. You have to put it here. So it looks like the now it looks like the Fallout 3 variant of the microfusion cell. Now you have to put a green tile on this. So one piece is missing. This is the missing piece. You have to put it on the other piece, which is very similar to the other. And now these light gray pieces, so these are dark gray pieces, and these four pieces are light gray pieces. Now these are the newer green lighting pieces of Lego. There are another ones which are a little bit older, but I thought it wouldn't look so nice to it. So yeah, this is the Fallout 3 and New Vegas variant of the standard plasma rifle. I'll show it on a Lego figure, how it looks. It's a bit long, but I think it's okay. Okay, this was my tutorial how to design a standard plasma rifle in Lego design. I hope I could help, and in the next video I will show you how to design a T-45 power armor helmet.